Okay, so we're starting a new series of the mini brand fill the fridge. We haven't got the fridge yet, but we got our first ball.
What is there? Oh, there's another one.
Yep. And he's struggling to get the ball open.
Don't judge me. I'll check that out.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep. Okay. So, our magnet is a donut, I think? Is that a donut?
Yeah.
We got a donut magnet.
It looks like.
We'll put it on our fridge for now.
What a donut?
And these are all the things that we could get.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, the magnets are right here. So yeah, we got the
I guess
donut.
it's a donut.
Okay, you want to do bag number 1?
You doing it? Here.
Alright, bag number 1.
Ham.
Deli ham. Overnight oats.
Oat Star. The Oat Star.
Okay. Bag number 3. I think this might be the juice. A bottle of water. Sushi.
Sushi.
I can't even tell which one it is. Okay. Number 5. Auntie Anne's pretzel dogs.
The last one.
Last bag.
Is another magnet? No. Bacon.
Bacon. Okay, so we got one common, which was the water. We got, oh no, 2 commons because of the oats. And then we got 1 luxury, which was the sushi. 1 rare, which is the bacon. Oh no. Another rare, the pretzel dogs. And the ham. These were all rare. So that was definitely a good pull that we got for that. So we will be getting the fridge soon. So then we can start collecting all our magnets and stuff on one fridge.